It only takes 4 steps to make this high-end comforty sweet bean barley porridge. It's the best companion in the cold winter, and it can also be a refreshing dessert in the hot summer. Let's get into it. First step, we wash and soak beans overnight. You can basically use any kind of beans you want. Today I'm using red kidney beans, Canellini, and the red Adzuki beans. Step 2, we add the beans into the pot. Add barley and dried dates. Traditionally, we use dried Logan berries. You can actually find it in the Asian supermarket, but I'm just thinking it may be a good idea for me to find an easy alternative. We added water to at least double of the volume. Bring in the pot of boil. Step 3, when it's boiling, pop the lid on. Cook over low heat until the barley releases the starch and porridge becomes sticky and gooey, which takes about 1 hour. Now this is the final step, we are gonna add sugar. Before we add sugar, you can have a taste. You can basically add any kind of sugar, I prefer brown sugar. Stir in evenly. They cook uncovered for another 10 minutes. The beans are soft and mushy, and the barley are still chewy. You can taste the sweetness from both brown sugar and the dates. And of course, you can eat it cold as well. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check my other cooking videos.